it's Faye from facefood.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious hot chocolate cake. Like I said, the inspiration is hot cocoa. We have the chocolate cake, and then we have a marshmallow whipped cream topping, and then it's dusted with some cocoa. It's easier to make than you think, and I'm going to show you how to do it.
So we're going to start by combining all the wet ingredients together, and then we can alternate with our dry ingredients and our buttermilk and sour cream mixture. We'll alternate this in like 3 or 4 additions, ending with the dry ingredients. And you just want to make sure to mix just enough in between each addition. We don't want to overmix because that will result obviously in a dry cake, and we do not want that. Alright, now we're going to add in the hot coffee. And if you're like, ew, why are we adding in coffee to a chocolate cake? Coffee and chocolate play really well together. It really helps actually enhance the chocolate flavor. So anytime I'm making anything chocolate, I add a little espresso powder or coffee, and it really brings out that chocolate flavor even more. So we bake that at 350, about 20-25 minutes. Just make sure you check with a skewer. And then we can move on to the whipped topping. I melted some mini marshmallows and heavy cream together, and then I whipped some of the heavy cream and powdered sugar and vanilla, and then I combined the two, and I did have to end up re-whipping it. And yeah, that's pretty much our whipped topping ready to go. Guys, I don't know who's sawing at 11 p.m., but legit someone's sawing at 11 p.m. in my neighborhood. Anyways, so we have our finished cake ready to go. Top it with our lovely whipped topping. And my inspiration here is a hot cocoa. The way I like to drink my hot chocolate. Some whipped cream, a little dusting of cocoa powder. You can even add some mini marshmallows. I just didn't like the look of it, but you can add mini marshmallows on there as well, and maybe a drizzle of chocolate or ganache if you want to go even extra. But yeah, this is our finished cake. I'm just gonna slice it. And you can see our nice tight crumb. It's soft and tender, chocolatey, and oh so good. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end up giving us a taste to let you know what I think.
Alright, and that is how you make this hot cocoa cake. I'm going to go ahead and show you the final product. And let's take a bite. It was a bigger bite than I expected. It's okay, we'll do 2 bites. Because I do want one with the topping. So actually this is the second day. I made it yesterday, and for some reason it gets better as it sits. It's very moist. I know people hate that word, but it's not dry. That's what I'm trying to say. Full of chocolate flavor. You can taste the marshmallow. It's very tasty. The full recipe will be on facefood.com, all the instructions, all the ingredients. Subscribe to this channel if you have not already, and if you have, thank you so much. Like the video and comment, and let me know if you do end up giving this a try. I want to hear your feedback. Until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.